Hello, welcome to my channel, Our Universe. March 1st is a special day in history, as many unique events have occurred on this day throughout the years. In 1562, the Massacre of WASSY occurred, which marked the beginning of the French Wars of Religion. French Huguenots were massacred by Catholics in the town of Wassy, France. On March 1, 1781, all 13 colonies ratified the Articles of Confederation, establishing the United States as a confederation of sovereign states. Yellowstone National Park, the world's first national park, was established on March 1, 1872. It is famous for its beautiful landscapes, geysers, and wildlife. The kidnapping of the Lindbergh baby is a notorious event that happened on March 1, 1932. The son of famous aviator Charles Lindbergh was kidnapped from their home and later found dead. On March 1, 1954, the United States detonated its first hydrogen bomb at the Bikini Atoll in the Pacific Ocean. A significant moment in the Cold War. In 1961, President John F. Kennedy established the Peace Corps on March 1, a volunteer organization that sends Americans to developing countries to provide technical assistance and promote mutual understanding. Titanic, the iconic movie that grossed over $1 billion at the box office, premiered on March 1, 1998. On March 1, 2002, the International Criminal Court was established in The Hague, Netherlands, with the aim of prosecuting individuals for genocide, crimes against humanity, and war crimes. In 2013, Venezuela's President Hugo Chavez died on March 1, after a long battle with cancer, marking the end of an era in Venezuelan politics. Finally, in 2018, Vladimir Putin was re-elected as President of Russia, for a fourth term on March 1, consolidating his power and influence. These are just some of the unique events that happened on March 1 throughout history, reminding us of the important moments that shape our world. Thanks for watching this video, like our videos, and subscribe our channel.